Hey y'all, welcome to Mixed Messages. I'm Clare Ward and we're here to cheers to the Golden State. We're making fancy drinks for regular people, highlighting California culture, the cool ingredients found here, and of course the wineries, breweries, and distilleries that make the booze. Today we're gonna highlight one of my favorite ingredients, vermouth. California has a ton of really fun vermouths that are made here because it's wine-based, and of course we are in wine country. Today we're gonna highlight Vermina Vermouth, which is a vermouth out of Santa Barbara, California. It's a collaboration between David Roshoff and Steve Clifton, two legendary people in the wine industry. David and Steve were inspired by Spanish drinking culture, where they drink vermouth just on its own. You'll find people in bars all across the country drinking vermouth on the rocks with olives and orange slices while they eat little tapas, and they really wanted to bring that to California. Vermina uses a variety of different grapes, traditional botanicals as well as blood orange and rosemary. A bartender tip and trick, always make sure once you open your vermouth, you keep it in the fridge. It'll keep it fresher, longer, and better in your cocktails. Always put your vermouth in the fridge. So today, we're gonna make one of my favorite cocktails. It's called a vermouth cobbler, and we're gonna use ingredients that highlight the notes we find in Vermina. To make this cocktail, you're gonna need vermouth, your favorite jam from your pantry, and orange slices, as well as crushed ice, which you can make super easy in your blender. Just blend up some of your ice from your freezer, a glass, and something for muddling. Use a muddler, but if you don't have a muddler available, you can use the bottom of a wooden spoon. To start, we're gonna add a spoonful of our favorite jam. I'm gonna use a cherry jam. We're gonna add 2 slices of oranges. I'm gonna use blood oranges because I've got some great ones out in my backyard and it goes really well with Vermina. And now we're gonna use our muddler. We're gonna crush the oranges up till the juices are released and they mix in with the jam. Now we're going to add 3 ounces of vermouth. Now we're gonna fill our glass with our crushed ice we made in our blender and garnish with another one of our orange slices, and we're ready to go. Look at that, we've got a vermouth cobbler. It's a pretty color, nice pretty fruit muddled at the bottom, gorgeous cocktail to sip on your patio. It's a low ABV cocktail, which means it's a little lighter in booze, which is why we used 3 ounces. You can sip them a little slower, drink them a little longer, and you won't be as buzzy towards the end. Thanks for watching Mixed Messages. Be sure to drop a comment below if you have any questions about this cocktail, or if there's any ingredients you'd like to see featured on Mixed Messages. Cheers, y'all. I love crushed ice coffee.